Students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So students, welcome back in your mathematics class. This is class 9th, chapter 11, construction, solutions of test. Yesterday you gave a test of this chapter. Now today we have to discuss all those solutions. That's why you can easily recognize your mistakes. So you have to do the necessary corrections. So students, first question was, with the help of a ruler and a compass, it is not possible to construct an angle of. So we have to tell which angle is not possible to construct with the help of ruler and compass. This is section A, MCQ, 1 mark each. So students, answer of question number first. Students, we know it very well that with the help of ruler and compass we can construct angle 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. So with the help of ruler and compass we can draw 90 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree and the half of this 22.5 degree and like 30 degree, etc. And the angle bisector of the angles also. But it is not possible to construct an angle 40 degree with the help of these things. So which one is the correct option? B is the correct option and 40 degree is the answer. Now the answer second. So the second question was the construction of a triangle ABC given that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree is not possible where difference of AB and AC is equal to. So we have to tell which difference this construction is not possible, for which difference this construction is not possible. So students, for the question number 6, we know it very well. It is given that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree. We know that the construction of a triangle is not possible if the sum of the two remaining sides is less than or equal to the third side of the triangle. If it means if sum of two sides equal to 6 centimeter and if sum of two sides is less than 6 centimeter, then the construction of the triangle is not possible. So according to the given options, with the construction, if we will take, it means AB plus BC is less than equal to AC, then definitely if we will take, and this is when we will shift to this side to the other side, AC minus AB, it means 6. So it means when the difference of two sides, we are talking about the difference, it should be greater than or equal to 6 centimeter, which one is the third side of the triangle. So which option is not possible with the difference AB minus AC? If AC minus AB is 6.9 centimeter, then construction triangle ABC with the given condition is not possible. So the correct option is, so students, we know it very well that sum of the two sides should be equal or greater than when the this construction is possible. So we are talking about the difference. So difference should also less than or equal to the given side. So the correct option is 6.9 centimeter. Correct option is. Do not confuse with the relation, because we know it this relation with the addition, and now we are talking about the difference. In addition, the possible case is the sum of two sides always greater than to the third side. So if we are talking about the sum, so the sum of the two sides if equal and less than of the third side, then the construction is not possible. But in this question we are talking about difference, so we will start our proof with the help of addition. AB plus BC is less than equal to AC is not possible when we will shift to the other side. So AC minus AB is only possible when it is less than or equal to. Here this is not possible case na, because it is said AC minus AB is greater than and equal to 6. So only one option, which is 6.9 centimeter, which is greater than, so the difference of two side if greater than the third side, then the construction is not possible. When addition of the two side is less than the addition of the two side is less than or equal to the third side, then the construction is not possible. When the difference of two side is greater than or equal to of this given third side, then the construction is also not possible. So only one option is greater than of the 6 centimeter, which is 6.9 centimeter. So now students answer number 3. So the first question is was the question third. The construction of a triangle ABC, given that BC is equal to 3 centimeter, angle C is equal to 60 degree, is possible when the difference of AB and AC is equal to. So base is given, angle is given. We have to find the possible difference of AB and AC for the construction of this triangle. So again, like your previous question, first of all we will write what is given. BC is equal to 3 centimeter, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. We know that the construction of a triangle is only possible when the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. It means AB plus BC is greater than BC, which is given as AC is greater than AC. So BC is greater than AC minus AB, because we are talking about difference now. So we have to take the difference of those two sides remaining from the third side, because BC is given, so BC should be present on the other same side as individual. So it is 3 centimeter greater than AC minus AB. AC minus AB. So if AC minus AB is greater than 3 centimeter, so is less than 3 centimeter, so only one option is correct, which is 2.8 centimeter, option D. So the construction is only possible when which is less than 3 centimeter, which is only one option, which is 2.8 D. Now students, question number 4, which question number 4 is section B, true false. We have to tell this is true or false. So students, question number 4, an angle of 42.5 degree can be constructed. So we have to know it very well that only those angles construction is only possible when it is divisible with 15 degree, and this is not the divisible by 15 degree. So we have to check once more. So we know it very well, 42.5 degree is not possible directly. So we will take the double of this angle, which is 85 degree, and an angle 85 degree cannot be constructed with the help of ruler and compass. So the statement is false. Answer 5. So first of all, the statement of the answer 5th question. Triangle ABC can be constructed in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle A is equals to 45 degree, and BC plus AC is 5 centimeter. So this is also a false statement. So we know it very well that sum of the two side is always greater than the third side. So one side is already given, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and the sum of two sides also given as 5 centimeter. This is not the possible condition, because sum of two sides are always greater than the third side. So the answer is false. Next question is question number 6, which is present in section C, 3 marks question. You have to construct only, there is no need to write the step of constructions. For question number 6, construct a square of side 5 centimeter. So how we will construct that question? You have to take a base as A, B of 5 centimeter. We know it very well that in a square all sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree. So we have to open our compass and make 90 degree angle here like this. I already explained all these things in the lecture. And then how we will draw a 90 degree angle. Then we will take A as a center, mark a arc, open your compass as 5 centimeter and mark an arc. Take B as a center, open your compass 5 centimeter and mark an arc, and then meet these two sides. This is the construction of question number 6, a square of 5 centimeter. Next question, question number 7 was construct an equilateral triangle given its side as 3 centimeter and justify the construction. You have justified the construction also. For this students, answer number 7, you have to take a side 3 centimeter A and B. We have to make a semicircle, mark 60 degree here also we have to make a semicircle with the same opening of the compass. You have to open your compass like that, draw a semicircle here also, and draw the one mark for the 60 degree angle. So we have to draw our lines which is passes through these arcs like this, and they will meet at a point which we will mark as C. And you have to in the justification you have to measure this angle with the help of D. It should be 60 degree, and they both are as 3 centimeter. You have to produce them and then also measure. Automatically when you will make a 60 degree angle on a 3 centimeter base, they are 3 centimeter. And in the justification you can measure AB. AB is already 3 centimeter. You can measure with the help of AC and BC. They all should be equal to 3 centimeter. Next question, question number 8. Question number 8 was construct an angle of 22.5 degree. So answer 8, we are going to make a 22.5 degree. First of all we have to take a base of our choice. Then we have to open our compass and make a semicircle, and then draw the first arc of 60 degree, second arc of 120 degree. Then we have to bisect this part of the angle, take this and this as a center, open our compass and mark 2 arc, and this is our 90 degree. Then this arc for the 90 degree we have to open our compass only on this portion more than half. Take this point as a center, draw the first arc, take this point as a second center and draw this arc, and then passes through the join this point of intersection with the origin point. This is the half of 90 degree, which is 45 degree. We know that 22.5 degree multiplied by 2 is equal to 45 degree. So when we will subtract this, open our compass more than half, draw the 2 arcs taking this and this as a center and draw this angle. This is 22.5 degree. So this is the construction of the given angle. Okay students, draw a line segment 5.8 centimeter long and draw its perpendicular bisector. It is very easy question. First of all we have to answer number 9, we have to take a line segment AB which is 5.8 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. Then we have to open our compass more than half of this given line and put our compass here A as a center and draw the 2 arcs upward and as well as the downward. Again we will take B as a center and draw the 2 arcs. Like if we will take A as a center, put compass here, draw the 2 arcs with the help of pencil, and then take P as a center and then draw the 2 arcs, and then we will meet this. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is from section D. Is from section D, 4 marks each. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 6.2 centimeter, angle Q is equals to 60 degree, and RQ minus PR is equal to 3 centimeter. So first of all students, we have to write the measurements. PQ is equal to 6.2 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 60 degree, and RQ minus PR is equal to 3 centimeter. So first of all student, we have to decide, because the subtraction question is there, we have to decide this is the first type or the second type. PQ base is given. If we will make a rough diagram, then we are able to recognize if we will make PQ and then we will make an angle Q, but angle Q is not present here, angle Q is here. So we have to, if you are not able to draw like this, first of all we have to take QP and angle Q here 60 degree, then QR will be made by before as QP, sorry, PR. So this is the first type of subtraction, because RQ is greater than and greater longer side is made first before the smaller ones. So how we will draw this question? First of all, we will take a base QP 6.2 centimeter. Then we will draw a semicircle, draw the arc of 60 degree, and then this is our 60 degree angle. This is our 60 degree angle. Okay, and now we will put our compass here at the center of Q and mark an arc of 3 centimeter on a point X, because this is not the required point. Then we will draw the second vertex with this X point. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line, which is like this. When we will produce these 2 points, they will meet at a point. When you will draw with the help of pencil and scale, they will be 2 straight lines and they will meet at a point which is the required point of R, and then we will meet R with Q. So we will meet R with Q. This is the required triangle. So I will explain it again. Pay attention here. When we will draw a QP of 6.2 centimeter, and then we will draw a 60 degree angle, which is present like this, and then we will mark a line 3 centimeter here, which is X point. Then we will meet second vertex with the line. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line, which is passes through the 2 points of intersection like this, and they will meet like this, and then we will draw these 2 end points of the triangle. So this is R, and this is our required triangle PQR. Now students, question number 11, the last question from your test. This is your last question number 11. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 45 degree, PQ plus PR is equal to 8 centimeter. So students, we have to draw this construction. First of all, QR is equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 45 degree, and PQ plus PR is equal to 8 centimeter. So first of all, we have to take a base, which is QR 8 centimeter. Then we will draw 45 degree angle. For this we have to draw first 90 degree angle, and then we will bisect this angle. This is our 45 degree angle. Now we will mark the arc of 8 centimeter and then draw this X point to the second vertex, given second vertex. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line, which is passes through like this, and cut the angle line. This is our required point P, and when we will join the second vertex, this is our required triangle. So student, this is the answer of your last question. Now your homework. So maths homework. Do all necessary corrections in your test answers and read chapter number 13. We are going to start a new chapter number 13, which is surface areas and volumes of the different three-dimensional shapes. So you have to read this from page number 208 to 210. 2. You have to read all these pages very carefully, try to understand, because you know about the mensuration which was present in your 8th standard class. So you know about the mensuration, you know about the areas, volumes of sphere, cuboid, cylinder. So you have to read it carefully, and then we will start our chapter from the tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Have a nice day.